We engage cards, absolutely one of my favorite tools to inspire authentic conversations. The deck comes with 50 thought-provoking quotes and 50 idea-generating photos, and they're all meant to elicit this shielded discussion in us. And so you can kind of makes it safe to share because, oh, well, I said it because the photo allowed me to, or I said it because the quote allowed me to. There's something really powerful about being able to share in that way. The deck comes right along with a bunch of different exercises. And so this is one to help visualize your values in the organization. This is a really fun one to swap quotes back and forth with people, or to get people to share stories that are rooted in the imagery and the quotes. And so what ends up happening is they become more engaging and more memorable. They're nice, big size. They're shaped like hexagons, so you can kind of lay them out in creative patterns. And they're really, really fun to feel as well. You can kind of see they've got this texture on them that makes it really, really nice. This is We Engage cards. If you have any questions about them, feel free to reach out to us. We love chatting with people and sharing ways to use our tools specific to your context. Have an awesome day.